Imagine you are relaxing at home, and suddenly, a strange clanging or rattling sound echoes from behind your walls. It is a common mystery for many homeowners and a clear signal that something in your plumbing system needs attention. Plumbing pipes make unusual rattling sounds primarily due to sudden changes in water pressure, movement, or vibrations caused by various mechanical factors within the system. These noises are not just annoying. They often indicate underlying issues that need to be addressed. The most frequent culprit behind rattling pipes is a phenomenon known as water hammer. This occurs when water flowing rapidly through pipes is suddenly forced to stop or change direction, creating a shockwave or pressure surge. Think of it like a train hitting a sudden brake. Common culprits for water hammer include quick closing valves on appliances like dishwashers, washing machines, or even single lever faucets. Another significant reason for rattling is simply loose pipes. Over time, or if not properly secured during installation, pipes can vibrate against wooden studs, floor joists, or concrete, creating a knocking sound. High water pressure in your home's main supply can also be a major contributor, as excessive pressure increases the force and speed of water, leading to more pronounced vibrations and potential rattling. Thermal expansion also plays a role. As hot water flows through pipes, they expand slightly. If these expanding pipes are constricted or rub against surrounding materials, they can produce creaking or rattling noises. Finally, air trapped within the plumbing lines can also cause noises as it moves through the system. To diagnose these sounds, first try to pinpoint the exact location and conditions under which the rattling occurs, noting if it happens when a specific faucet is turned on or an appliance is running. You can start by checking your home's water pressure with a simple gauge, ensuring it falls within the recommended range. If it is too high, installing a pressure-reducing valve might be necessary. For water hammer, strategically placed water hammer arresters can absorb the shock waves. If you have access to your pipes, ensure they are properly secured with pipe clamps and insulation to prevent movement and rubbing. Sometimes, simply bleeding air from your hot water heater or turning off the main water supply and draining the system can help remove trapped air. Understanding the precise cause of pipe rattling, whether it is water hammer, loose supports, or high pressure, allows you to implement targeted solutions. For instance, a properly installed pressure-reducing valve not only quiets the pipes but also protects your appliances and extends the life of your entire plumbing system by reducing overall wear and tear. Furthermore, investing in robust pipe insulation and securing methods during initial construction or renovation can prevent these issues from ever starting, ensuring a quieter and more reliable water delivery system for decades. These proactive steps are crucial for maintaining the long-term health of your plumbing. Addressing these unusual pipe noises promptly transforms your home from a symphony of clangs and rattles into a peaceful sanctuary. It is about more than just silencing a nuisance. It is about protecting your property from potential leaks, preventing premature wear on fixtures and appliances, and ultimately, ensuring the efficient and quiet operation of one of your home's most essential systems. This proactive approach safeguards your investment and enhances your everyday comfort.